Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I will show you how to fix Canva export failed error when downloading design. So let's get started. First, open Canva on your web browser and sign in to your account. Over here, click on the Help Assistant at the bottom right corner. Then, explain the issue you are facing. After that, follow the instructions provided to fix your issue. Over here, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. Then, refresh your browser and clear your cache and cookies. After that, update your browser to the latest version or try using a different browser. Over here, if you can't download your design from the editor, go to Projects and find the design you want to download. And that wraps it up. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.